Once your app is on test flight, you need to test your app and you need to install your app on your iPhone. Here is the video. In this video, I will guide you how to install your app on iOS devices and test the app. So let's get started the video. So first of all, you have to go to your Android. First of all, you have to go to App Store from your iOS device, and then you have to click on search bar. Then you have to type test flight and then hit enter. After searching, you will see different ad at the top where you have to select this app, test flight. I have already that, so I will just click on open. When you open for first time, it will ask you to log in and you will see there will be no apps in your test flight for the first time. Here you will see a pop-up saying enter a redeem code. So you have to get this redeem code from the developer, or you have to check this redeem code in your email. So if you don't have any code yet, so let's move to the next step. So if you are using any browser, you are using Chrome, Safari, which one, you have to just open your browser and you have to type appstoreconnect.apple.com in the search bar. After hitting, you have to log in using your Apple developer account ID. Okay, after that you have to select on apps, and then you have to select the app from the list that you want to use for the test flight. I have only one app, so I am selecting this one. After clicking and selecting the app, then you have to go to test flight tab, and then from the left side you have to just click on internal testing, this plus icon, and here you have to type your tester name, like any name you can type. Here I'm typing Kamran Creation Testers. I will hit on create. After hitting on create, here you have to click on this plus icon, and from below you have to select the email address. I am selecting my address and I will click on add. After adding, you see the user has been invited. Then I need to check my email. No thanks. And scroll up and you will get your email with the test flight invite shortly. And here you got an email saying test flight invite. So you have to click on view in test flight. After clicking on view in test flight, you will get a code. This is the redeem code that you have to put inside your test flight application. So I will go back. I will simply type test flight same, so I can open it here. So first time, as I already discussed, you will see a pop-up. You have to directly enter the code that we have just copied, but for mine I have to go to setting, and then I have to click on redeem invite, and then I have to paste the redeem code. So this is my code, so let me, and then you have to click on redeem. After clicking on redeem, the app will verify, and then you will go to installation window, and then I will click on install, and then again install, and this app is now installing on your iOS device. By using this method, you can test your iOS apps in test flight as many as you can. So that's the video. If you want any other courses or any other videos, you can just left a comment below. Hopefully see you in the next video. Course link is also in the description. Complete guide of Apple developer account. Have a good day.